Hey guys, I am very happy. Very happy.
I'm a fool for your love.
I'm coming from work right now and I was told that I will be off until May, but I will be getting like work assignments that I will do at home. I'm very happy because I don't have to go to work and put myself at risk. I'm gonna be staying home. I'm actually going to go to the supermarket now. I've been going to the supermarket quite a lot, but I eat egg and bread every single day for my breakfast, so I'm almost out of bread and egg and I want to go buy some. So I'm going to the supermarket to buy egg and bread so that I don't have to leave my apartment for a while. So that's what I'm gonna be doing right now. And also I need to cook something because I'm hungry. It's about almost midday now and I need to get some food because I've only had like breakfast, so I need something to eat, so I have to go cook. But I want to go to the supermarket first before I actually cook, because once I get settled at home I don't want to leave because I hate going on the road. I'm like a house rat. I just want to stay home. I'm gonna be vlogging today. I'm home, just resting a little, and then I'm gonna head back on the road. If you guys want to see how I made this, let me know in the comment section below. I'm gonna cook some rice and chicken when I get back, but for now I am just gonna soak the rice until I get back. I have a specific way how I cook the Japanese rice, so if you guys want me to do a video about that, let me know, because I realized that if I cook it the normal way, like how I cook Jamaican rice or rice that I'm used to in Jamaica, it doesn't come out good, or maybe I'm doing something wrong, because I don't use a rice cooker or anything. I just cook it on the stove. I have on my coat. I'm gonna head back out. Let me get my purse check. I think that's everything, yeah. So I'm gonna head out on the road and then I won't be leaving my apartment for maybe 2 weeks from now. Well, I don't know, it depends, because maybe I have to go out and do other stuff. Key check, purse, phone. Okay, I just remember that I need to get some water as well, so when I get back I have to buy some water at the convenience store, and that's where I'm going. I just saw an article that said that about the train. Yeah, about 500 new cases have been confirmed, which brings the total to 5,500 cases now in Japan. So like I said, I'm heading to the supermarket and I'll be staying my butt home for as long as I can. Yeah, but I'm almost at the supermarket right now. I'm tired. I'm so unfit. I am tempted to try these soap, but I'm gonna just stick to what I came here to buy, which is not this. I need vacuum cleaner. I am trying to find wipes, not baby wipes, not tissue, but regular wipes. Not seeing any. Okay, I have to get the baby wipes then, because I really need the wipes. I'll get this as well. I'm back from the supermarket. As you can see, I'm tired and hungry. I came home, I put down the supermarket bags, and then I went back on the road and I got some water. So I bought 4 bottles of water. Yeah, and I also got these from the convenience store. So I usually buy this pastry thing. So this, and I got 2 of these. This is called onigiri. So I usually buy the tuna mayonnaise because to me it tastes the best. I'm gonna microwave these 2 and I'm gonna eat that for lunch because I don't have the energy to cook and wait until I'm finished cooking to eat. So this will be for my lunch and my fruit smoothie. From the supermarket I bought avocados because I love avocados. So I got about, I think it's 5. I got 5, but I'm seeing 4 here. I guess I got 4. So I got 4 avocados. Banana. I love banana. I bought some more chicken. I bought some grapes, even though I have a ton of grapes in my fridge, but I love grapes. Black pepper and what kind of red pepper? This is powdered pepper. And because I already have banana in my fridge and I bought banana otherwise, so I bought some greenish bananas. And of course my eggs. Bought 3 bags of bread. This is my favorite cereal. And I bought 3 more of these, so I have about 8 of these. So whenever I run out of food, at least I'm gonna have these instant yakisoba. I'm seriously not going to go to the supermarket until May because I have overspent on groceries. So I'm not buying anything else until May because this is ridiculous. I can't be spending so much money on food. But anyway, so I went to Daiso as well. And I'm gonna be showing you some of the stuff that I bought because I'm going to be doing another video and I don't want to ruin the surprise. I'm not gonna show you guys everything, but I bought this bathroom cleaner thing. I was trying to get some dishwashing liquid, but they didn't have any, but I have at home, so I'm fine. I bought socks. I need a white socks for my white sneakers, so I bought socks. And I bought 2 packs of wipes. The wipes that I wanted, I didn't have any. I just had to settle for these. I bought some edge for my makeup because I'm out. I bought this Japanese fan, and you guys gonna see why I bought this thing pretty soon. So by next week you'll see why I bought it. The others I'm not gonna show you what I bought. You're gonna see in another video. I'm gonna eat my lunch, which is the onigiri, the triangle rice, and then I'm gonna come back when I start cooking. The rice is finished. I seasoned up my chicken. Then I'm gonna add a cabbage to it as well. I just put the meat in the pot. After 10 minutes, I'm just gonna go ahead and add the cabbage. I'm adding some more pepper. Don't come for me, guys. I love pepper, okay? This pepper I'm using. And I'm gonna also add some black pepper. This is actually black pepper and salt. I'm gonna add some more ketchup. And finally, a little more water. I'm gonna cover it and leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then I'll come back with the finished product. I don't have any carrots, so I'm using what I have, which is cabbage only. So this is what it is like. I'm gonna turn off the stove right now because I don't want the cabbage to overcook. This is my dinner. I'm gonna be eating this later on. I'm still full from the lunch that I ate. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is where I'm gonna end this vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, so as usual, please remember to thumbs up this video, to comment and subscribe. Until next time, bye.